Fucking George Michael. There's me seat, look.
There's your seat. Sit down there.
We're working.
I don't. Hold on, I have to go out and tell this young lad. The next field we're going to is the famous.
Right, where do you want me to bring it?
Don't fucking move it, you cunt. Don't even wriggle. Pull the handle down there now. Don't pull the fucking aircon off the roof. Oh. We're going down to the famous cliff field after this.
Yeah, fuck.
Legends have it that the tractors used to go down here years ago, two-wheel drives, and used to fall off the end of the cliff because they had no brakes. And if it was raining at all, it's deadly dangerous down there. You'll see it, it's lovely. It's right down with the cliffs of Dunedin. TJ and all the place.
A mint.
Keeps you going to the day, keeps you off from smoking. Triple X mints. Brakes. Shout out to Triple X mints.
Triple X. We're sponsored.
I'll tell you about the tractor. This is a McCormick. She's 200 horsepower. Not many of these around actually. McCormick.
Tell us about the tractor, John.
It's a McCormick MTX 200. Not many of them about. Loads of power. About 10,000 hours on it. It's doing a lot of work. It's a good tractor, good driver. What?
How much? And right, tell us about this grass. It turns to silage. What's the difference between grass and silage?
Silage fermentates. When it sits in the pit over the next couple of months and through the winter, the bacteria causes it to turn yellow and it fermentates into a substance that the cows eat during the winter and they love it.
And how long does the silage last? Can you get it to last?
If it looked after right, you can get lucky. You can get a pit of silage that lasts you a couple of years, but you just have to make a pit to pull you through the winter until you make the next pit next summer.
But most farmers would eat it in the one winter. Is that how it goes?
Yeah, they'd have maybe like a couple of blocks left at the back of the pit. It'd be still good. I have to say, old hay is gold hay. They say. Now here we go. Here's the show. That's it, off we go for a load of grass. They lost the tractor here years and years ago. One slid down off this gold plate, this pipe we're on now, down to the sea, and slid straight off the edge and went straight into the ocean.
Was there anybody injured, Joe?
No, he jumped off.
He jumped off? Oh, he missed a bit there.
There we are. That's the cliff.
While we're waiting to take a full load, imagine going on your first silage collection run, right? And this is where we are, John. Can you believe it? You would think this is amazing. This is it. But I suppose they aren't doing it in the winter, and it's always going to be half beautiful.
It's only the summertime to do it.
It's only the summertime that you cut silage, so smiles all around, but look where we are, for fuck's sake. Oh my God.
very big crop here. A lot of big crop of grass here. The biggest we've seen all season.
It's a big enough crop, isn't it, John?
Big crop of grass, yeah.
Jeez, it looks bigger this year. You nearly have a full load, John, I'd say, do you? No?
Yeah, no.
Can you take a bit more?
I will, yeah. Take a load now, which will back down there.
You take another load?
Yeah.
That's it. He's giving out. I think sure I'm an inspector. I'm quite happy now that I came along to the silage cutting. Thanks, John. When I walked into that farm, I says I could be at home watching some shite Netflix.
Yeah.
But that was what would that be? That would be the pinnacle of the silage sport.
Listen to that exhaust. Listen to that roar. Yeah. That's 200 horses roar.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Full load of grass.
Full load. We got back for another load, right?
Back for fucking 6 more.
6 more. Fuck.
Yeah. That's the shot.